Hello everybody, welcome to Sarah Thursday. I am Sarah Hu. Today I would like to show you how to use the mask correctly. Here I would like to take a black mask as an example. First, when we take the mask, you need to cover your nose first because the COVID-19 virus enter your body through the respiratory tract, such as your nose, your mouth. Second, when you take a mask that is with the multiple fabric, don't use your fingers to touch the surface, the outside surface, because the multiple fabric can absorb the virus and dust. So the COVID-19 virus is all on the surface. When your fingers to touch the surface, the virus will be all on your hands, and you touch your mouth, the virus will enter your body. But the mask can be used for many times. It is not to wash or spray it with the alcohol. You need to hang the masks in a ventilated area, but sometimes it is not the window because the wind will take the virus into your room, so it will not have the function. Okay, today's show is over. Thank you for watching. See you next week. I'm Sarah Hu. Goodbye.